And, oh, looks like we are going to have potentially an auto there. Boom. It's the Boombox. Ted's with us for this one. As you guys saw earlier this week, or well, I guess this will probably go up about a week after our December one, got sent to the house in Cleveland when I'm in Arizona. Oh geez, it's falling out. But we got it all sorted out with Boombox, so you know it's at the where I am this time. Oh, 35-point BCW. Not our normal kangaroo guy. All right, so we got the list of packs there. Nothing left in the box but some packing peanuts. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, Mosaic Hobby 2022. We got the Prism No Huddle, of course. We've actually gotten back-to-back Boomboxes. We've gotten something decent out of Prism No Huddle. Elite, which is always a good time. Bowman U Hobby. I thought we would never open Bowman U again on the channel, but here we are. Playoff. Is that? It's probably hobby. I think all they send is hobby packs.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, 2021 Mosaic. Very cool. And 2019 Contenders.
Wow.
That, actually, it's not an insane rookie class. That's pretty good, though. We did, it's not up yet, but we filmed a Throwback Thursday with some 2019 stuff, and there's some decent rookies in there. All right, so the 2022 is Mosaic Hobby, and then the 21 Mosaic is No Huddle. And then Playoff Hobby, Contenders Hobby. So, here we go. Guess we'll...
I can't even think of anybody from 2019 right now. Who was in that class?
So that was the, like, Kyler was the #1 overall pick. And then you had, like...
That was that draft?
Yeah. Then you had, like,
Yeah, I guess you're right. Cleveland Farrell, #4.
yeah, it was that group. Josh Jacobs.
That was a great draft.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember the Raiders had 4 first-round picks and bundled nearly all of them.
Yeah. This guy. Derek Stingley, first Bowman. I have no idea.
Ooh.
Bazelak. Stingley, first Bowman. Brock Bowers, first Bowman. Kenny Pickett. Look at how tiny his hands are in this picture.
Look at that football is about to fall.
Yeah. All right, so Bowman U happened. We saw it.
All right.
We'll
Moving on.
Yeah, we'll go Elite. We've got, I think it gets released next week. I know that we've got like the Mosaic Hobby here, but we've got the Mosaic No Huddle for this year. Got a full box of that. It's like doubled in cost since I pre-ordered it. D-Hop. If we have a hit, it'll be here. I think Brandon Ayuk.
Number Debo? Oh, Ayuk.
Ayuk to 349. Ted's nemesis. Full throttle. Ayuk.
Still got the dub.
Keenan Allen and Jalen Waddle. One of my guys. Okay. All right, so that's one numbered card. We've had multiple autos in back-to-back boomboxes, though. So,
That's true. The Boombox expectation has been raised for me.
yeah, I'm hoping that we at least continue the streak with one auto. Contenders is like, unless you hit an auto, just kind of not. But, which,
Here's some filler.
maybe? We got a shiny card. Earl Thomas. Numbered to, is that 176, I think? 175.
Thomas Ravens?
Yeah.
Didn't even know that was a thing.
Okay. And then MVP contender, bet, and OBJ. All right, so 2 numbered ones so far. Ooh. Prism, I guess.
Works for me.
We've gotten in 2 like boomboxes ago. We got an auto, and last boombox we got like a numbered for our disco. This disco does not look to be numbered. J. Tufele.
Twofold.
Not a rookie. Oh, it's going to be sideways. Champ Bailey. Lockdown horizontal. Oh, okay. We need something from these last packs to save us here. I know that you know, the man of the hour, Brock Purdy, is in Mosaic, and I guess he hasn't been in every release so far this year, so that's one that a lot of folks are interested in. Josh Palmer, and oh, looks like we are going to have potentially an auto there. Oh, Etienne Lawrence, which is their rookie. And yeah, I mean, he was a first-round pick. Number 4, Bills. Trey White.
Nice.
Just a Tre'Davious White auto. Not his rookie or anything. Not numbered, but one of the better cornerbacks in the league. There we go. We did keep our auto streak up. Look at 21 Mosaic, and we'll save the big boy 2022 Mosaic for last, I guess. A reminder of last year's design. Bateman debut.
Good design.
Yeah, I like it. CMC, we got a Pat Fryermuth disco. Which is not numbered or anything, but not a bad card. Saquon Stairmasters. Drew Lock. Remember when he was like part of that trade?
I sure do.
I don't think the Seahawks do. Aaron Rodgers and what a bingo.
Is he just wearing sweats?
Yeah, I wonder if that's like an image variation.
I don't know.
Normally I thought that would be like marked on the back. You should have that little like V, the circle. That's just like such an odd picture for a...
It really is. That's a great card.
Yeah. All right. Last pack. Let's get just like another auto. Would be cool. So this is our first look at the design for it this year. I like it. Still obviously Mosaic, but you know.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah. Daniel Jones. Keenan. James Washington. Joe Burrow with kind of like the little American flag in the background.
That's neat.
That's cool. Barry Sanders. I heard he was good. Hollywood Brown. Alan Lizard. Bobby Henderson, still rocking the Panthers uni. Calvin Austin III.
Who?
We pulled like that auto of his. Oh, Cade York. There he is.
Yes.
The man of the hour. Got Travis Etienne, Mosaic, silver thing. Matt Corral, silver prism.
Wow.
At least he's a quarterback.
He's a rookie.
Yeah, rookie quarterback silver is, you know, maybe as good as we get. Montage,
Could've been massive.
and then overdrive,
Ooh,
Randy Moss.
that's cool.
Yeah, not numbered or anything, but that's a cool card.
Definitely.
Either worth a couple bucks or we'll make a cool giveaway at some point. Well, we at least kept the auto streak alive on our boom boxes, and then 2 numbered cards, lacking any like major hits, though, I think.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's probably the most disappointing Boombox we've had in a while.
Yeah, it just kind of was a little like, you know, it stinks because there was like, we had a couple packs in there, like the, like, I mean, Bowman U and Contenders were both just kind of like, oh, yeah, we're both just like, nope. Unless you get an auto out of those, like, you're not getting anything. You know, there's no, like, cool inserts or anything like that to go with it. They don't have, like, at least Contenders, we got, like, a numbered card, but, you know, it's just a random Earl Thomas. So not anything, you know.
Nothing to write home about.
Yeah. But Trey White auto is cool. Matt Corral, Silver Mosaic is also, you know, probably one of the better ones that, you know, a lot of people have got high hopes for him, and hopefully he'll get a shot in the next year or two. So, oh no, not terrible. I've seen worse pack openings in my day.
Absolutely, I've seen worse in this channel.
Unfortunately, quite true.